In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to lock a shape in Microsoft Word so it cannot be moved. If you have a shape in a Word document that you want to keep in a fixed position, you can place it inside the header area. This allows the shape to remain in the document without being available for regular movement in the main editing area. Let's get started. First, open a Word document. Once the document is open, we'll prepare the area where the shape will be placed. Go to the Insert menu at the top of the Word window. From there, select the Header option. You'll see several header choices available. For this example, choose Blank Header. Once the blank header is active, go back to the Insert menu. Select the Shapes option to open the available shape choices. You'll see different shapes that you can add to the document. Choose the shape you want to use, then click and drag on the document to draw it. You can position and size the shape as needed while you're creating it. Once you've drawn the shape, it will appear inside the header area of the document. Now that the shape has been added, you can customize its appearance. Select the shape, then go to the Shape Format menu. Look for the Shape Styles section and select the Shape Style drop-down menu. From the available styles, choose any style you want to apply to the shape. This changes the appearance of the shape while keeping it positioned in the header area. After you've finished formatting the shape, go to the Header and Footer Design menu. From there, select Close Header to exit the header editing area and return to the main document. Once the header is closed, you'll see the shape in the document, but it will no longer be available to move around from the main editing area. Because the shape has been placed inside the header, it remains separate from the regular document content. This method is useful when you want a shape to stay in a specific location and prevent it from being accidentally moved while working with the rest of the document. The shape remains part of the document, but accessing or changing it requires returning to the header area. And that's how you can lock a shape in Microsoft Word so it cannot be moved from the main document area. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel.